Hey guys, welcome to Dual Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're about for a brand new benchmark. It's the Legend of Zelda: Tears of the Kingdom for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the Ryujinx emulator once again on my Intel Core i3-10105 with the AMD RX 600 8GB VRAM graphics card. I'm running with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and dual channel memory, and boy oh boy do I need it. This game seems to be quite demanding. I'm using the 30 FPS patch because unfortunately my system is not strong enough to do 60. As you can see, my CPU is at 50% at 30 FPS. You can only imagine what 60 would do to it. Nothing great. This is actually you actually need a decent CPU for this, unfortunately. I was very shocked for it. I feel like this is the first time I've really realized that, hey, I need a really powerful CPU for this. And I'm not even outside. Imagine what happens when I get outside. It's going to be a nightmare. That being said, the game does run though. We're using about 12GB of RAM, so it is intense. But the CPU does seem to be hand holding it so on. I probably could have raised the resolution to 4K, but we're just using native 720 to 1080, and, well, it's running. I say running loosely. Now, this is the first time I've played in the game, so I haven't loaded in any shaders. I want you all to see how the game actually performs from the jump. It's actually really good, actually. The fact that I'm not getting any stutter with it is quite impressive, if I'm being honest with you. Well, not much stutter, at least. All things considered, it could be so much worse. So much worse. Oh, we're jumping again, I see. I really need to put these controls better. I don't know why I never do. Oh, another jump. Whoa, this one's even. Says every video game ever. Let me look around first. You see, things like that, normally when I look around in games, especially on Yuzu, I get stutter right there for that jump. But yeah, like I said, this is demanding. There's no joke about this. This crap's demanding, man. Oh, we're going outside. Wish me luck. We're getting about 65. Oh my gosh, look at that already. So 60% is already hitting here now once we head outside. Am I going to be in my 70s? No, no. Alright, let's get into some land and see what happens. Whee! It has to load in stuff. Once again, like I said, this is the game running from the jump. I haven't tested any of this before, so this is how it runs. It's building shaders as we go along. I want you all to see the experience as well. Is it playable from the first time through? I mean, it's not the worst, and if you keep playing for long periods of time, it'll get better. So I wouldn't say it's the worst thing out. The CPU still has some life to it. Just once again, don't do 60. I'm sorry, don't do 60. It's not worth it. Are we gonna land anytime soon, or like? Oh, things are popping in. Thank you. I got places to be, guys. No, Link, I don't need you to be jumping there. You're climbing. Alright, here we are. 70%. Holy crap. That is intense. That is intense, yeah. Once again, it has the shadows flickering. But, you know, it could be worse. Guys, listen to me. Do not, I repeat, do not try to hit this with 60. You're not going to get it. Like I said, it's building in shaders though, so we'll see how it performs constantly as time goes on. But I'm going to take this apple. Oh, look at this dude. Listen, I ain't prepared to fight you. What do you mean Master Sword is running low on energy? I literally started striking him like a second in and... Oh damn. That actually worked. Oh no! That's not good. How do I refill it? What am I gonna do? Throw the apple at him? Why would you put me into a fight with something I don't have? Like, does it build back up? Like, I feel like you haven't told me anything about this Master Sword. I'm gonna just leave this guy alone. How about that? Shouldn't you be able to run in this game? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. It's doing a lot better now as we landed here for a few seconds. It is playing more stably, and it's like I said, the stutter isn't really a thing, which is always nice. Oh, you feel. Oh, that robot feels it all good in the hood. It ain't all good in the hood. I'm gonna go smack him now. Where you at, boy? Y'all thought I was done? No, I don't want you to throw it. I don't want you to throw it. But I guess I'll throw it anyway. Yeah, we all good in the hood now. You ever get hit by a tree branch? Yeah, no you did. He didn't want my tree branch, bro. Yeah, the i3-10105 is just barely managing to make this somewhat decent. I don't know if you would like the stutters, but I feel like after a while, if you keep letting everything load in, it'll get better. But I do recommend having a powerful CPU for this game. Trying to emulate it here. Certainly. 74% is not bueno when it's being pushed. Now, to be fair, I have to put emphasis. My capture card has this weird issue with my integrated graphics as well, so it's probably affecting the CPU a bit. So it probably isn't as bad as I'm making it seem, if I'm being honest with you. I also just realized how to run. How silly of me. Regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Look out for the Yuzu video as well as the others on the other hardware. I'll probably do 4K next time, maybe.